If you are a baker who is struggling with cake design ideas, you are in the right spot. Today, I am going to walk you through the step-by-step process of assembling a cake into a perfect market-style masterpiece. Stay tuned until the end to catch all the tricks. Let's get started. Let us begin by placing a delicious chocolate sponge on the cake board. You will find tons of recipes on my channel, so do sure to check out the playlist of baking recipes or cake recipes to understand how you can get started with your cake baking. Now I am applying a generous layer of whipped cream and I am trying to smooth it out. At this point of time, I also want to talk to you about the importance of investing in the right tools for cake decoration. The right tools can make all the difference in achieving that professional look for your cakes. Now, if you are someone who is still struggling with confidence in selling your cakes from home, join my free webinar. Click the link in the description box to understand what it really takes to get started. Now, coming back to our cake, once all the cake layers are placed one above the other beautifully, it is time to apply the crumb coat. After crumb coating, don't forget to refrigerate this cake for about 15 to 20 minutes. And after refrigeration, then apply a generous layer of whipped cream frosting and smooth it out for a flawless finish. Comment cake designs if you want me to share more such simple cake design videos on my channel, and I will be happy to do that for you. By the way, if you are new here, well, hello and welcome. Please do subscribe to my channel for baking tips, tricks, recipes and more cake decoration ideas which are going to help you in your baking journey. Now after this, let me add some color to our cake. For this, I am mixing a bit of blue color into this whipped cream frosting. And I'll be applying that on the cake in patches using my palette knife or spatula. After this, when you use that plastic smoother on the cake, it creates that beautiful pastel shade, adding a touch of elegance. And it looks so beautiful. Along with your plastic smoother, you can also use various cake foams to make intricate designs on the cakes, and that will give that extra beautiful look which is going to make your cake completely stand out from the market. See, this is a smooth finish, but if you use the foams on your cake, it is going to give you all the more beautiful designs. After the crumb coating, after you use combs on the cake, now let us move on to the nozzle decoration. For nozzle decoration, I will be using petal nozzle. Now if you want to use what kind of petal nozzle I am using, type nozzle into the comment box and I will share which nozzle I am using for making these beautiful flowers. Now if you see very carefully, I have already made a guideline on top of my cake and I am just following that guideline and I am guiding my piping nozzle as well so that I can make beautiful 5 petal nozzle over here. It looks stunning, isn't it? Always remember, offering unique cakes like this sets you apart from other bakers in the market. Always stand out and sell more by giving your customers something very special. They should really look forward to not just the taste of the cake but the look of the cakes as well. Now if you find these cake decorations ideas easy and want more for birthdays or anniversaries, type easy in the comments below to get more cake decoration ideas for birthdays or anniversary cake designs. After all the flowers are done, now it is time to give them a beautiful look. Right, so for this, just cut a small portion of piping bag, use white whipped cream and make beautiful pearls in the center of each flower. Use the same piping bag and let's make those pearls around the bottom side of the cake as well. Can you see it adds such a touch of sophistication to your cakes? Type agree if you agree with me at this point of time. It looks so elegant and it looks so beautiful as well, isn't it? Without any nozzle as well, you can make beautiful decorations on your cake. After this, now let us switch to the leaf nozzle. Now over here I am using green whipped cream, using which I will be making leaves around the flowers. And just like that, my cake is ready to go out of my home bakery, but not before I take a beautiful picture of my cake. By the way guys, I hope you have loved this cake decorating tutorial. If yes, then do like, share and subscribe for more amazing baking content and cake decoration ideas. Until next time, happy baking. See you in my next video. Thank you so much.